You're such a Chris Brown.
What?
Yeah, you heard me.
I'll just cut you again.
Okay, fine. Let's go dance
Oh,
now.
yeah,
Okay,
Alright,
ready?
Your voice is...
Oh my god. I'm gonna cut you.
She already said that.
Shut up, Meg.
Oh, is it
Savannah,
dangerous now?
guess what's
Cherry
there?
Club.
Guess what's there?
It looks like you're not wearing any pants still.
Shut up, Meg.
It does. Like, you're like, whoa, put some meds on.
Hi, Meg. Guess what, Meg? Guess
What?
Hi. I eat mop poo.
What is that? I need helium. No, please.
It's gone, it's gone. You're squeezing it out.
No.
It's going in for everyone. Good job, Alexis. Ow!
I think we should only...
I snorted. I wonder what it would sound like if I snorted.